In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add memory to Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. You may have heard that Google Gemini has an exciting feature that allows it to remember details about you and your preferences. This means that every time you chat, it can build upon the information previously shared, making your interactions more personalized and efficient. Now let me take you through the step-by-step process of setting up this memory feature so you can make the most of your experience. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up Google Gemini. You can do this via your favorite web browser or through their mobile app. If you're on your desktop, just type in the Gemini URL in your browser's address bar. If you're using a mobile device, find and tap on the Gemini app icon on your screen. Either way, it should only take a moment to get logged into your account and ready for the next step. Next, look for the settings gear icon. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen if you're on a desktop. If you're using a mobile device, it may be tucked within a menu, so don't hesitate to tap around until you locate it. Once you find that icon, go ahead and click or tap it. This will open up Gemini's settings menu. Now, in this settings area, you're going to select either Instructions for Gemini or Personal Intelligence/Memory. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll want to toggle the memory feature on. This allows Google Gemini to start storing the information you provide, which enhances your interaction greatly. Now that memory is activated, it's time to personalize the details Gemini will remember. In that same settings area, you'll find a section where you can input specific rules, preferred response links, writing styles, or any personal facts you'd like the AI to retain. Take your time with this. Think about what aspects of your personality and preferences would help Gemini understand you better. For instance, if you have a preference for short, concise replies, let Gemini know. This ensures your conversations flow just the way you like them. Once you've typed or pasted all your custom details into the appropriate fields, it's important to save this information. Look for a button that says Save or Submit. Clicking that is crucial because if you don't, all the personalized information you've added will be lost, forcing you to redo the whole process. It's like sending a message without hitting send. So remember, save your settings before you exit out of there. And there you have it. You've successfully added memory to Google Gemini. Each time you engage with it, it will remember those preferences and facts you provided, allowing for a more tailored interaction based on your individual style and needs. Before we wrap things up, I'd like to remind you how beneficial personalized AI can be. By letting Google Gemini know more about you, it can serve you better in finding answers, assisting with planning, or even just having casual conversations that feel more relatable. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to set up memory in Google Gemini. Remember, don't forget to save those settings and make Gemini truly work for you. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to stay updated on all things technology and AI. Like this video if you learned something new today, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Happy chatting, and see you next time.